A man has been fined in Rajgangpur for not wearing seat belt while riding a two-wheeler. The owner Abhisekh Kar has alleged that the goof-up has harassed him. Kar was taken aback after getting SMS regarding the fine of Rs 1000. According to Kar, only after checking the full challan, he came to know that he was fined for not wearing seat belt while riding his scooter. Surprisingly, Kar alleged that a photograph of another person has been affixed on the challan issued to him.
मोर 17 तारीख दिन मत गोटे सका व्हाट्सएप एसएमएस आसला एसएमएस जो आसला से एसएमएस रे मुझे देखिली लिखाई कि मो स्कूटी रे चालान कटी जब मुझे डिटेल चालानटा देखिली से लिखाई कि मुझे सीट बेल्ट पिंधि नथली आ स्कूटी रे चालान कटी।
With Bureau Report, OTV।